If you are using the latest version of Chrome browser, then you don't need any other software to read your web page. Chrome now can read the entire web page or the selected text very easily without installing any add-ons or software. So let's see how we can do this thing. And one more thing, it's completely free. You don't need to pay any single penny for this. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open the website which we want to read. And suppose I want to read only these two words, order flossers. So what we need to do, we just need to select the text and then right click. It will bring this menu. From here we have to choose speech and then start speaking. Once we click here, you will see it will actually start reading. So I'm going to choose this option.
Water flossers.
Okay, so it read and the toolbar gone. If you select the whole block, then you will see the whole like toolbar, and I'll show you how to actually maintain the speed or pause it very shortly. Then again I'm going to select these two paragraphs, right click, speech, start speaking.
Water flossers, also known as oral irrigation.
Okay, so this is the slow and this is faster, so you can choose which one you want. This is the play button and this is stop. Once Chrome finish reading these two paragraphs, it will automatically close this toolbar. Otherwise it will be there, and from here you can maintain the speed, play when it will play or pause. Now I'm going to close this thing and I'm going to show you how you can start reading the entire page using Chrome. So right click anywhere and then it will bring this menu. From here we have to choose open in reading mode. Once we click here, right side we will see like this. Here this is the article, basically the whole article is there on the text format, and now on the top you will see a couple of options are there, like how fast you want to read. You can maintain the speed or change the speed. Then also you can choose a voice type, which type of voice it will read. Right now it is natural on. You can play it to hear the preview of the voice. Like for example, I want to choose like 4. We can play it, we can click here to hear the voice.
Hi, this is a preview.
Okay, so in this way you can choose, even you can choose a language from here. There are many languages there, you can choose any of them, and then you can choose the voice type. So these are the voice type. Then there is the highlighter, like when if you press if you choose a sentence, the when it will read the entire sentence will be selected, something like that. If you choose word, it will choose word by word like this, and also some other tool. This is the font size, it will increase or decrease. So if you click here, it has two buttons, minus or plus. It will increase the font, and also the background color you can change from here. Basically this one, this is the font style, this thing, and some other thing, but these are not necessary that much. Just to read we need to play this button. So I'm going to click here and you will see it will start reading from beginning till end.
The best electric water flossers we tested. Best.
So I just paused it again, and even if you try to play, it will start from here. So in this way actually you can use Chrome browser to read your website. Now you don't need to install any add-on or any third-party software, and you don't have to pay any single penny, and that's it. Just tell Chrome to read the entire page and close your eyes and just listen.